Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Hostinger coupon code deal. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be led to a page like this. Now guys, I'm here with an exclusive deal for my audience. So make sure to watch the video in full and follow the step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to tell you on how you can get as much as up to 95% amazing discount. So once you land over here, after clicking on the link in the description, you may see around over here there's a special deal running right now with 85% off. Plus my coupon code is going to make it 10% more, 95%, so up to 95% discount through this. But before we grab this deal, I want to tell you why I opted for Hostinger. So look around at the reviews, 61,000 reviews, and 61,000 is not a small number. And if you look around on the 61,000 reviews, 4.7 rating, I want to give huge praise. Customer service pretty great. I have worked with hosting. I deposited amazing 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. So and once 4 star. So amazing reviews for them. And another is the 30 days money back guarantee is loaded with them. And if you're coming from another hosting company, hosting has a dedicated website migration service which is going to cover and shift all of your website that to free of cost. Now this is an amazing thing, which was one of the reasons why I opted for hosting. You can simply move on to the plan by simply selecting the claim deal over here and check all of these plans. So you can see all of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee. You can cancel anytime, 24/7 support. And if you click on the link in the description and use my coupon code with the plan, you're going to get 10% additional on all of these plans. So this 85% is going to become 95%, 84 is going to become 94, and 75 is going to become 85. So but if you choose any plan, my recommendation is to simply do a thorough search of all the plan features, functions before you're going to offer anyone, because this is a one-time decision. So my suggestion is to work on it. If you ask me, if my recommendation is to go with the premium business plan that covers almost everything. If you have more than 3 websites, or if you have 3 websites and planning to create more business, this is the one you need to go. Otherwise, the premium is also good. So you can use either of the plan to get as much as up to 95%. So let's say we're going with a business plan. Simply select the choose plan. After you click on the link in the description, the plan is amazing. It has amazing features. You are going to get hosting panel. Along with it, you are going to get free domain as well. And now coming on the billing period, hosting will offer you 4 billing periods, and I can make myself smaller so you can see clearly. And you can see order summary over here. Now in billing periods, hosting will offer you 4 billing periods, but since this is one-time special prices, my recommendation is to offer the 48 months. You can save the maximum amount of money because these prices won't appear again. So take the 48 months. And you can also claim the free domain right now over here or later on through your control panel. Okay, I'm going to show you how to claim a free domain for the first year over here. And over here you can see I'm going to claim this for the free for the first year. Again, I can choose any as per my convenience. So do your research, and you can also get it later on as well from the Hostinger Edge panel. Now after this, you can see around over here you are getting fair 48 months daily backups, 3 extra months free in addition to our special discount running deal. Isn't it amazing? Now there is an amazing coupon code as well, which is going to give you additional discount on already running discount. So select have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. So once you apply this coupon code over here, you're gonna see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal. So which is amazing thing over here. There is another coupon code as well, so you can use either of the coupon code to get this amazing superb discount with Hostinger. So if I apply this one, you're gonna see that my price got a further discount. My 30 days money back guarantee is over here, and I'm also getting free domain, daily backups. So now move on to the continue to the last part of opting my hosting with Hostinger. So over here I can see my order summary over here, and I can see my coupon code is applied. And now after adding my billing details, simply select the continue and move on to the last part. And Hostinger offer you a variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay by card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So guys, you have a variety of payment methods to choose. So for instance, if you're going with a credit card, write your credit card details and simply select the submit payment. And within few minutes you're going to get an email from Hosting with all of your details. Isn't it amazing? Now just for a revision, what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code and follow the step-by-step tutorial in this video I have told you to get this amazing discount with Hostinger. So good luck with the hosting promotion. Good luck.